Welcome to Stock Invest YouTube channel and this stock report for NVIDIA. The report was first published on our website April 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about NVIDIA for the upcoming trading day on Tuesday 19th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current NVIDIA performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the NVIDIA stock currently holds a -1.935 score, and our system has ranked NVIDIA sell candidate since April 12, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.31%. This is an average return of 0.33% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NVIDIA, our last headline reads, NVIDIA stock price ended on $217.83 on Monday after gaining 2.47%. The NVIDIA stock price gained 2.47% on the last trading day, Monday, April 18, 2022, rising from $212.58 to $217.83. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.78% from a day low at $210.80 to a day high of $220.88. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -18.46% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by -7 million shares and in total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $10.84 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $134.59. Right now the price is 37.13%, or $128.64, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The NVIDIA stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $212.71 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 2.85% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 0.89% and 36.56%. The 12-month trend indicates a 46.78% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 44.03% and 156.44%. This equals a price between $313.74 and $558.61 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, NVIDIA stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the NVIDIA stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for NVIDIA. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 2.47%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The NVIDIA stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $222.83 and $244.67. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 21 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to go to our page at stockinvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA finds support from accumulated volume at $215.14, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $10.08 between high and low, or 4.78%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.41%. The stock has a beta of 1.41. This tells us that NVIDIA is 0.41 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NVIDIA. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NVIDIA currently has a price-earning ratio of 57.40. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released May 25, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.29. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NVIDIA meets first resistance at $233.72. If you do not hold NVIDIA shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NVIDIA finds first level of support at $215.14, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $212.65, $210.27, $206.42. Sell at $220.35, $222.73, $226.58. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for NVIDIA is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 28, 2022, Cox Tench made an inside sell of 100,000 of common. On March 18, 2022, Perry Markel made an inside sell of 100 of common stock. On March 18, 2022, Perry Markel made an inside sell of 2,716 of common stock. On March 18, 2022, Perry Markel made an inside sell of 12,100 of common stock. On March 18, 2022, Perry Markel made an inside sell of 1,800 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -20.822. In total, the insiders bought 4,524,056 and sold 7,062,012 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is NVIDIA stock a buy? The Nvidia stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Nvidia will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 19th, we expect Nvidia to open down negative $1.33 and start trading at $216.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon stockinvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.